Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most significant and spiritually uplifting times of the year for over 1.9 billion people worldwide, Ramadan. If you want to know more about Ramadan, or why do Muslims fast, you've come to the right place. Whether you're simply curious, have Muslim friends, or you're a Muslim who wants to know more, stick around, we've got you covered. So, what exactly is Ramadan? Well, Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar. It's not just about fasting, it's a sacred time of spiritual reflection, prayer and community. For Muslims, it commemorates the month when the Quran, the holy book of Islam, was first revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Fasting during Ramadan is called Sawm, and it's one of the 5 pillars of Islam, the core practices every Muslim follows. From dawn to sunset, Muslims refrain from eating, drinking, yes, even water and other physical needs. But it's not just about food. Fasting is also about self-discipline, gratitude and compassion for those who are less fortunate. Curious about a day in the life during Ramadan? Here's a quick breakdown. Suhoor, the pre-dawn meal, is eaten before sunrise. Muslims eat a nourishing meal to prepare for the day ahead. After suhoor, they pray the Fajr, the first of 5 daily prayers. During the daytime, it's business as usual. Work, school and daily activities continue. Fasting teaches patience and mindfulness throughout the day. At sunset, the fast is broken with dates and water during iftar, followed by a hearty meal shared with family and friends. And finally, Taraweeh, the night prayers, are held at the mosque, offering extra spiritual rewards during Ramadan. Let's clear up some common misconceptions. Do all Muslims fast? Nope. Children, the elderly, pregnant or nursing women, travellers and those who are sick are exempt. Is it just about food? Not at all. Ramadan emphasizes kindness, charity and community. It's a holistic spiritual cleanse. Is it okay to eat in front of someone fasting? Don't worry, Muslims generally don't expect others to change their habits. But a little sensitivity is always appreciated. Want to be a great friend during Ramadan? Here are a few simple ways. Be mindful of meal times. Sending a thoughtful message at iftar means a lot. Avoid scheduling heavy meetings during fasting hours if possible. Ask questions respectfully. Most Muslims are happy to share their experiences. If you're invited to an iftar, go. It's a beautiful way to share in the spirit of community. After a month of fasting comes the grand celebration, Eid al-Fitr. This means Festival of Breaking the Fast. It starts with a special prayer followed by feasts, gift-giving and charity. It's a joyful time to celebrate with loved ones and reflect on the spiritual journey. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. And to all our Muslim viewers, Ramadan Mubarak. May it be a blessed and peaceful month for you. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious and stay kind. Ramadan Mubarak.